Hi, I'm Bill Umansky, the Lawman. Today we're going to talk about the 5 things you can do if you've been injured due to a slip and fall at a store where you've been shopping. You get it. You go around, it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, or just everyday shopping. The malls are crowded, the stores are busy. People are going all over the place looking for groceries at Publix or another store or another grocery store. And all of a sudden, unbeknownst to you, there's been a dangerous condition on the ground. Someone may not have mopped and cleaned up. Something may have spilled on the floor and no one bothered to put a wet sign out. Anything could have happened, and now you find yourself on the floor. You hurt your back, you hurt your knee, you hurt your shoulder, and what do you do now? Well, there's 5 things that you should do immediately if that happens. 1, you want to make sure that you definitely document the claim. What does that mean? That means you got to report it to the people at the store. If you go out of that store without reporting it, it's as if it never happened. Now I know what you're thinking, well, they have cameras. Well, stores don't always keep camera footage, and if they do, sometimes it miraculously disappears. So you want to make sure that you report the claim. You fill out an incident form telling them exactly what happened and what that dangerous condition was. 2, you want to get the names and addresses and phone numbers for any witness that saw the dangerous condition on the ground or happened to see you fall. And I mean the name, address, and phone number of any of those witnesses. You want to know why? The store's not going to do that for you, especially if they're at fault. And most people don't want to get involved. Now, while you're on the floor laying there hurt, there are a lot of good Samaritans out there. But they don't want to address this issue a year or 2 later after you've had surgery or broke a bone. No. You want to get the names, addresses, and phone numbers of every witness that's there. And I know that you're in pain, but maybe a family member or someone else can do that. But you want to make sure that you can try to do that if at all possible, even if you're hurt. The 3rd thing that you should do is make sure that you write down the name of the person from the store that took the incident report, and the name of any witness or employee of the store that may have saw the fall or saw the dangerous condition. Yeah. And even the manager or anyone who came to check up on you. Any store employee that has any involvement, you want to get their name. Why is that important? If you don't have those names, oftentimes if you file a claim later or have to file a lawsuit, your lawyer may not be able to obtain that information because the store, again, they may not have it all of a sudden. It's very important to get the names of the people who were employed by the store, who saw that dangerous condition or helped you up after the incident or took the incident report itself. Make sure that when you report that incident that it's correct. If you put something down that's inaccurate or false, it could be used against you.